Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about megalithic age of early history of South India. The important phase of the ancient history of South India is stretched between the megalithic period to about 300 AD. During the 1000 BC, the present states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala were inhabited by megalithic people. The literal meaning of the term megalithic is a big stone. The megalithic culture is known for its burial. The abundance of iron tools and the black and red pottery with the burial is the main identifying feature of the megalithic culture. This culture suggests that there was abrupt change from the Neolithic age into the Iron Age, and they did not experience the intermediate Chalcolithic or Bronze Age. Let's first discuss about the sources of megalithic age. uh, we have found various references of megalithic age from the existing sources. One of the most prominent source of knowing about this culture is Ashok's rock edicts, which describes the southern states of Chola, Pandya, Satyaputra, Keralputra, and Tambapanni. Sangam literature preserves folk memory about the social life in South India from the beginning. One of the peculiar feature of this megalithic age is the types of megalithic burials. We have found the various types of burial methods in this particular culture. The following that I'm going to discuss about are the major types of megalithic burials. First is pit circle grave. In this type of burial, the body was first excoriated and buried. Pots and iron artifacts are placed in the graves. A stone circle is erected around the pit. Second is cyst. The graves have a variety of forms. These types of burials have variety of form. Cyst, which is stone coffins, were made out of granite stone slabs with one or more capstones, or with or without portholes. They may contain single or multiple stone circles erected around the cyst. Another type of is laterite chambers. In Malabar region, the grave chambers excavated into laterite instead of granite slabs, as we have found in cyst. The alignment type of burial, it is a different kind of burial in which a large number of standing stones called menhirs were arranged in squares or diagonal shape. They have been found in the Gulbarga district and the south of Hyderabad. Sarcophagus, the lagged urns of terracotta, sometimes have an animal head and they are not very common. Urns, the practice of burying decorated bones. The practice of burying bones in the urn seems to be taken from the Neolithic past. They are marked by capstones or stone circles. These are mainly found on eastern coast. The prominent tools that we have found in these burials are, there are variety of megalithic tools that have been found in these burials. But the typical identity was black and red ware and distinctive iron tools. They have uniformity all over the peninsula. The pottery shapes include conical or looped side lids, carinated vases, pedestaled bowls, and spouted dishes, etc. Iron tools include axes with crossed straps, sickle, tripods, tridents, spearheads, swords, lamp hangers, arrowheads, and lamps. Horse harness, butts, and are also very common features of this this type of tools that have been found in megalithic burial sites. The builder of these megalithic remains unknown to northern people because no reference to these monuments have been traced in the Sanskrit or Prakrit literature. Though early Tamil literature does contain description of these burials and people belonging to these burials. I'm going to discuss some important questions that may be formed around this topic. One of the important question: importance of megalithic culture in the reconstruction of Indian history, in South Indian prehistoric history, or sarcophagus. What is called sarcophagus? Describe megalithic tools and places of their findings. So this is all for now. Thank you.